Today we're starting off this lesson by making a quick revision of yesterday's lesson, which is adding more than two numbers. We use the written method, which is exactly as when we add two numbers together. We place the numbers right above each other and we start adding from the units digit. So 2 plus 1 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. 0 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 9 equals 12 plus 2 equals 14. And that's called the written method, and that's the way we add more than two numbers. So now let's start off the new lesson, which is adding or subtracting numbers that are near 10 or a multiple of 10 or 100. What I'm saying here is that if we have 313 plus, let's say, 29, it's so much easier for us to make the 29 become 30. We add 1 to 29. Then, in addition, if we add 1 to the second number, we have to subtract it from the total. Now, 313 plus 30 equals 343. Now, because we added 1, we have to subtract it now. 300, that equals 342. This way is called compensation. It's my favorite way for addition and subtraction, and we're using this way the whole time this lesson. So, in addition, when we add a number or subtract a number to the second number, we're going to do the opposite from the total. Like if we add, we subtract. If we subtract, we add. Now in subtraction, we have, let's say, again, 323 minus, let's say, 19. Now we have to add 1 here. And in subtraction, when we adjust the second number, when we add to the second number, we have to add to the answer. So here, that equals 323 equals 323 minus 20. So much easier for us. Now that equals 303. Because we added in the beginning, we have to we have to add to the answer. Now we added 1, we have to add 1. In addition, we subtract, but in subtraction, we do the same calculation. If it's addition, we add. If it's subtraction, we subtract. Here is another example. Here, 47, decrease each number by 9 means take away 9. And increase mean add 11. Increase 11, add 11. So let's take 47 minus 9 and plus 11 here. 47 minus 9, 47 plus 11. Now adjust the second number here, add 1, that makes it 10. 47, that equals 50. Again, here, I have to go back here, all right? So 47 minus 10 equals 37. Now, because we added, we have to add in subtraction. Use the same number. Now, that equals 38. So, 47 minus 9 equals 38. And 47 plus 11 make it 10. We take away 1. We take away 1 from 11. Now, that's 47 plus 10. 47 plus 10 equals 57. Because we subtracted in the beginning, we have to add now 1. That equals 58. So the answers are 38 and 58. Here 38 and here 58. Because if we subtract 11 from 58, we'll get 47. And if we add 9 to 38, we'll get 47. So each time we're going to, in addition here, we're going to add 10 to each of these numbers, then subtract 1. Now add, oh wait, again, it's not adding 10 because we're now increasing 11. Increasing means we're adding 11. So here we are making the 11 become 10. So we add 10 each time, that's correct. Now after adding 10, that's 106. We add 1 because we subtracted 1 in the beginning, and that's addition. So here 163 plus 1. Here 222 plus 1. And for the numbers here, we have to subtract 10 each time, 86. And because we added 1, we have to add 1 because it's subtraction. So we subtract 10 each time, then we add 1. And here we subtract 10, it's 2,572, then we add 1. And for the next challenge, in addition, we make it become a multiple of 10. So this is addition. Now we add 1 to make it 20. So let's say we're adding 20. And that equals 697. Because we added 1, we have to subtract because it's plus sign, addition. 697 plus 1 equals 696. And we write it in the box here, 696. So in addition again, if we subtract in the beginning to make it a multiple of 10, we have to add it to the total. If we add, we have to subtract it from the total. But in subtraction, if we add a number, we have to add it to the answer. And if we subtract, we subtract. That's it. Thank you so much.